In 1944, America made a promise. $35 would always equal 1 ounce of gold. Not maybe, not sometimes, always. The entire world trusted that promise. But one day, the promise disappeared. World War II had just ended. Europe was destroyed. Economies were collapsing. Currencies were unstable. The world needed a new financial system. So in 1944, leaders from 44 countries gathered at a small hotel in New Hampshire. This meeting created something that would control global money for decades: the Bretton Woods system. And at the center of that system was the United States dollar. Under the new system, the United States made a powerful promise. Every dollar would be backed by gold, and the price was fixed. $35 equaled 1 ounce of gold. This meant countries could exchange their dollars for real gold from the United States. Suddenly, the dollar became the most trusted currency on Earth. Countries started storing dollars instead of gold. Trade grew faster, economies recovered, and the United States became the financial center of the world. But there was one problem. America had to keep enough gold to back all those dollars, and that problem was about to explode. During the 1950s and 1960s, the US economy was booming, but spending was exploding too. America was funding massive programs: the Vietnam War, space exploration, huge government spending. To pay for all of this, more dollars were printed. At first, nobody worried, but slowly, other countries started noticing something strange. There were more dollars in the world than the United States had gold. And that meant something dangerous. If countries asked for their gold back, America might not have enough. Then it started happening. Countries began trading their dollars for gold. One of the biggest critics was France. They didn't trust the system anymore. They literally sent ships to America loaded with dollars and demanded gold in return. Gold started leaving US vaults fast. America's gold reserves began shrinking, and the world started to panic. If everyone asked for gold at once, the entire system would collapse. Then came August 15, 1971. The president went on television. Richard Nixon made a shocking announcement. The United States would stop exchanging dollars for gold. Just like that, the promise was over. The gold window was closed. The system that the world trusted for decades ended overnight.